That is crazy. Wait.
She is.
Hey, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, if you are new here.
First off, welcome.
Rain Gang, welcome back, sis, for another video. Okay, straight, we're gonna jump right into it. All right. So in today's video, we are trying, I can't really say, yes, I can, I'm grown, curl defining hair jelly bomb fro. Now, I think I saw this from Casey Aaliyah. Don't quote me, but I think she did it. I happened to go through my P.O. box and I see that someone got it for me. So thank you, Sid. I know your curls will love it. Keep being great. Thank you for gifting me with bomb content over the years.
Oh my God.
Really?
Hold on. That was super, super, super sweet. So thank you, Sid, if you're watching this. I appreciate you so much. Like, I literally just reviewed a jelly. So second ingredient is glycerin. Y'all, I am so sorry, okay? Forgive me. All right, so it is a jelly. I have never I didn't even know about this until Casey Aaliyah. Yeah, so curl defining hair jelly bomb fro. So, the seal is on here. Ooh. Okay, it's a very, very faint smell. Very faint, florally fresh scent, but again, very faint. Okay, so I'm a little nervous. Now, it is a very, light consistency. Like, it wouldn't feel promising to me. It doesn't give sticky, but things with glycerin, you never know. You never know. It says no flaking, no crunch, lasting results, and definition. Okay. All right, so we are sectioned and ready to go. I detangled already and take a good amount. It doesn't say, it just says applied jelly. So it could, I guess you just see. Yeah, it's very watery. Like, this doesn't even feel like a jelly. It's low-key just, I don't even know what this feels like. It feels like nothing. It just feels like some slime. It's very light. I'm a little nervous. Okay, ton of slip like I thought. Oh, it really, really goes on very beautifully. Okay, I'm here for that. All right, I'm gonna take a little bit more and try to get my roots. It says no flaking, so. All right, so I can't tell much so far. All I know is the smell has completely dissipated and the consistency is very it's just, I don't know. It looks on camera like it may be thick, y'all, but it's not. I'm gonna go ahead and break this into another section. So I'm gonna subsection that section only because it does say 1 inch sections. So I try to go, with the directions, even though I know what I'm doing. Yeah, y'all, if you like slip, that's all. If you like slip. Now, it's not grabbing on to my hair shaft like a gel would. All right, so I am taking about this amount, this big of a section. I really don't see how this is gonna be promising. This is not looking like it has a promise at all. Okay, I'm just, All right, so this is how the full side looks. Still wet. Now, I saw this card that said, your hair is going to look #bomb AF. And it's big and it's there. Huh? You follow where I'm going with this. I just feel like it has to deliver. It has to be a Postmate or a DoorDash in my life. I really am not seeing the vision just yet. I'm not seeing that, but things tend to, surprise me. So I'm not boring you. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this side. I don't know if I'm gonna speed it up or take it out. I don't know. The next clip that you shall see will be me with the completed, not complete. You know what I'm trying to say. So we done. I'm gonna be honest. I don't think my hair is going to come out. I hate prejudging because sometimes I'm completely wrong. And other times I'm right, but I just feel like I had to really get my resistant areas. Y'all know my resistant areas. I had to, the looser side of my hair. And if you're new here, I have a much, much looser side and on my right side. It's been like that my entire life. And I don't know, even I had to put like extra product on this side because I feel like it's not grabbing on to my strands. My hands are a little sticky, but I always expect that with like a jelly or a custard or something like that, especially if it has glycerin in it. I'm not really thrilled. I don't know what to expect. So I'm gonna go ahead and mind my business, and then I'll be back after, you know, it dries or so. Yeah. All right, so it's been maybe like an hour. I don't even know how long it's been. Hair is still pretty wet. I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse my hair because it does say to diffuse or sit under a dryer. My hair is extremely soft, which I'm expecting because it says you're not gonna get any crunch. And I just think that it's best that I just go ahead and just diffuse my hair. I say this in every video, not every video, but since I got this, this is the Dyson dupe. It's in my Amazon store. Check the description box below. If you're interested, I do like it. For those of you guys who are looking for a good diffuser, to me, I like this.
I know that you're somebody else's guy, but these feelings that I have for you I can't deny. She doesn't treat you the way you want it to. So the most I'm running, I wanna get with you. What your girl don't know won't hurt her. Anything to make this love go further. You're the one.
Yo, fam. I'm really at a loss for words. And that's very rare. I haven't stretched it yet. It's just, I turned the diffuser off and this is what it gave me. That is crazy. I love how full my hair looks, how curly and healthy. Like, it's super, super, super curly. No crunch. It's soft. But it's giving, it's gonna last. Just like I said, long lasting. It's giving that. I really don't see how this is gonna be promising. This is not looking like it has a promise at all. Yeah, I mean, everything that this said, bam. Do I stretch it? This is what I need y'all in my life. From now on, okay, just since we here, okay, please let me know in the future videos. When I get stuff like this and I'm contemplating stretching it or not, because y'all know I'm always we gonna stretch, okay? But when I'm contemplating, please let me know down below right now if you want to see me stretch it regardless how I typically would normally stretch. This will help me out in the future, because right now I'm like, dang, I wish I was live so y'all could tell me what y'all want me to do. If I was not on camera, I would stretch this. Like, I cannot give y'all an answer right now how I feel. I can't. I have to come back tomorrow like I typically do. I'll come back second, third day. I have to come back to show you guys how it's looking, because right now I don't want to be like, yes, this is amazing, and it looked like crap tomorrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and stretch this. I apologize if you were like yelling at the screen like, sis, no. We gonna stretch, because that's what I would do for any other product, okay? Do y'all see this? Let me just reiterate to y'all real quick, huh? Pay attention. My hair has no crunch, none. So I would expect frizz, huh? So I would expect it. That is crazy. Wait. So the only con is my hair, like it's soft to the touch, like absolutely no crunch, which is crazy that I can stretch it because there's no crunch, nothing. Like you would think I would get frizz, very, very minimal frizz. However, it's giving a little stiff. It's not completely like bouncy. And you know, the glycerin can definitely weigh your hair down and make it a little, not giving you the movement that you may be used to, depending on the product. I don't have any words right now. I'm literally blown away by the results. Is it the best wash and go I've ever had? No, it's not. For a jelly, I mean, the definition is there. Even stretching it, like there's so much definition, and your hair just, well, my hair just feels extremely healthy. I do have the glycerin feel. I have to come back tomorrow. I do. So I'll be back to see how this is looking and holds up. Let me show you guys the back. So again, the only con is it's giving sticky. So I'm gonna go ahead and pineapple my hair, put my scarf on, and then I will be back either tomorrow or the next day and to show you guys how it's looking, because again, right now I like it, but I need to see it tomorrow. So yeah. Second day, woke up, my hair, you know, I took out my scarf, it fell down. My roots were like a little, they didn't have much movement, but they weren't like poofy. But I made sure I was out and about in the morning. Out in LA right now, it's a little like misty. So the sun wasn't out, it was cloudy, but like you could feel the mist in the air. Didn't get much shrinkage from that. My hair stayed the same. This is pretty much how it looked when I left the house. Are they the best results I've ever had? Absolutely not. I do have some frizz in like the front part of my hair, and I tried to wet this section and everything is just, it's just staying like this. So, but for the feel, my hair feels very, very nice. There's no crunch. It's not pillow soft, but it's very soft. You don't even, it's so weird. Like it kind of feels like when you get your hair pressed and you get maybe like some curls in it, and then like you'll spray it with like some hairspray, like, you know, the salon type of hairspray where it's still movable, it still feels soft, but there's like a very, very, very slight hold. That's how this feels. But in your resistant areas, like right here, like my resistant areas, I did get frizz, you know, and it didn't really like define certain areas, but like 99% of it is like defined. But I'm very surprised. Like I really want this in my stash. I would definitely purchase this again. Off top, I don't know how much this is. I'll leave it on the screen or down below with the links. Check that out. But yeah, let me show y'all the back. Definitely will use it again. So yeah, I just want to show you guys. Hopefully it was helpful. Hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next video.